Happy 2018, ladies and gentlemen. Wesley here from Trusted Pest Management. We are back to work, and I'm trying to get a good sun angle here, but we are out at Flinders View. Yes, we did those termite collars. Now we're doing the termite perimeter. But anyway, just wanting to say I hope you're well, and let's have a good year. Plan of attack, is we're going to run our Homeguard on the perimeter here. We've done our service pipes. You can see that one wasn't meant to be protected, but oh well, that happens. However, we're going to run our Homeguard. We've got the carport there. Pretty simple from our perspective, but let's get into it. Our first step is we're going to mark off 65 just so that we can run that Homeguard nice and straight along that area. So you'll see me marking off these points like this. Whew, well, I'm not going to lie, it's fucking hot. So drink plenty of water, kids. Safety third. So I've marked off all of these, and now I'm going to do our 3M adhesive gluing, and then we're going to lay our Homeguard out. So we're into it. We're putting down our Homeguard along our perimeter edge there, and we're going to keep running down this side and across. And yeah, welcome to Queensland. There we have it, peeps. Homeguard perimeter barrier complete. We just did that side over there. I'm going to head over there, and we've just done this one here. Yeah.